It might seem counterintuitive, but narrowing your focus is often the fastest path to business success. In today's episode, we'll reveal why finding your niche could make you rich. While most businesses aim to cater to everyone, niche businesses focus on a specific audience, offering tailored products or services. Specializing in a niche market allows you to build a more loyal customer base, face less competition, and even command higher prices. The first step is identifying an underserved niche. Look for gaps in the market where big players aren't paying attention and step in to fill that need. Next, dive deep into understanding your niche audience. The more you know about their pain points and desires, the better you can serve them. Once you know your niche, focus on delivering the best possible product or service. Niche markets reward businesses that excel at one thing, rather than spreading themselves too thin. It's often better to start small and focus on a narrow niche, then expand horizontally or into adjacent markets as you grow. Entering a large market from the start puts you head-to-head with big players, making success much harder. Smaller niches are easier to dominate, giving you a solid foundation before you expand. When you target a broad market from the start, you're often competing with industry giants that have more resources, brand recognition, and marketing power. By contrast, smaller niches are less competitive, giving you more room to grow and innovate. Yes, it's true that acquiring customers in a niche market can be more challenging and costly upfront. However, the key is to use highly targeted marketing to reach your specific audience. And once you do, you'll build deeper relationships and lower customer acquisition costs over time through loyalty and referrals. Niche businesses tend to see lower customer acquisition costs over time because their customers are more loyal and more likely to refer others. By building a strong community, your reliance on expensive marketing decreases as word of mouth spreads. While your customer acquisition costs may be higher initially, they pay off in the long run. Niche customers tend to stay loyal and make repeat purchases, increasing their lifetime value and reducing your need to constantly acquire new customers. Once you've mastered your niche, you can expand to adjacent markets or products. This allows you to leverage your reputation and loyal customer base for exponential growth. By focusing on a niche, you can dominate your market with little competition. And once you establish yourself, you can either expand within your niche or even expand horizontally to similar markets. Now that you know the power of niche marketing, which strategy will you start with today? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more business insights from the winning formula. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that thumbs up, subscribe, and share to spread the word. Drop a comment with your thoughts, experiences, or tips. They could really help the community. Let's grow and succeed together.